Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Ford modem and Wi-Fi preferences for future resets. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To backup your Ford modem and Wi-Fi preferences, start by ensuring your vehicle is parked in a safe and well-lit area. Turn on the ignition, but do not start the engine. Access the vehicle's infotainment system using the touchscreen dashboard. Once in the settings menu, look for the option labeled Connectivity or Wi-Fi. Select this option to view your current Wi-Fi settings. Take note of your Wi-Fi network name and password as they are displayed on the screen. For a more detailed backup, locate the Advanced Settings section within the Wi-Fi menu. In Advanced Settings, you may find options to export or save your Wi-Fi configuration. If an export option is available, select it and follow the prompts to save the configuration to a USB drive. Insert the USB drive into one of the vehicle's available ports. If your system asks for a destination folder on the USB, choose a clearly labeled folder for easy access later. Once the export is complete, safely eject the USB drive from the system. For further protection, consider taking screenshots of the settings for manual backup. Make sure to backup any additional connectivity preferences, such as paired devices or mobile hotspot settings. If you ever need to reset your modem, you can use this backed up information to restore your settings. This ensures a seamless transition after any resets or software updates. Remember to store your USB drive in a safe place for easy retrieval when needed. Following these steps will help secure your Wi-Fi preferences for future resets. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.